Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn how to write 10-line essay on My School Library. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is My school library is a quiet and peaceful place. Second line is It is filled with books of various subjects. Third line is Our librarian is helpful and guides us in finding books. Fourth line is There are comfortable chairs and tables for reading and studying. Fifth line is It has an intense atmosphere that encourages learning. Sixth line is We can borrow books for a certain period to read at home. Seventh line is I can explore new worlds through the pages of books. Eighth line is It is a resourceful place for completing homework and projects. Ninth line is It is well organized with sections for fiction, non-fiction and reference books. Last line is visiting my school library is one of my favorite activities.